To start with, we will download VirtualBox and install it. The Start VirtualBox checkbox and click on Finish. The program will start automatically. To install Raspberry Pi Desktop, cite on the following link. Select a directory on where you save the ISO file. Then start download. This tutorial is a step-by-step guide to help you during the installation process. Click the New button to create new virtual machine. Name it as Raspbian Desktop, then choose what type of OS you want to run and its version. Then click on Next. Set the memory size of your virtual machine. Depends on how much RAM installed in your unit as long as it is in the green area. You can also choose the recommended memory size for your virtual machine, then click Next. Select option Create a virtual hard disk now, then click on Create. If VirtualBox asks you to choose which kind of virtual hard disk you want, you can go with VDI or VirtualBox Disk Image, which is the default option. When clicking on Create, the virtual hard disk will be created and the pop-up will shut down. You will see a new virtual machine on your list. Right-click on Raspbian Desktop, click on Settings. Go to Storage. On Storage Device, then click the icon Adds Optical Drive. Click Add, then locate the directory of 2021-01-11 Raspbios Buster i386.iso and open it. Select 2021-01-11 Raspbios Buster i386.iso. Then click Choose. Then click OK to save and close the settings window. Now, you can launch your Raspbian Desktop VM by clicking on the Start button, which a big green arrow. VirtualBox may ask you to choose again your startup ISO file. In this case, browse your files and select your ISO, and then click on Start. Choose Graphical Install with your keyboard arrows, and press Enter. Choose your language. Click on Continue. Here you might get a loading bar saying loading additional components. Wait until it's done. Choose Guided Use Entire Disk. Click on Continue. Select Disk to partition, then click on Continue. Select Recommended for new users. Click on Continue. Choose Finish Partitioning and write changes to disk. Then click on Continue. Now, the installation wizard will show you a global summary and ask you to confirm. Click on Yes and Continue. After partitioning your disk, the installation wizard will ask you if you want to install the Grub bootloader on your newly created hard drive. This is perfectly safe to do, as again, this is a new virtual hard drive, with nothing previously installed on it. Choose Yes and click on Continue. You should see the virtual hard drive created by VirtualBox in the list. Choose the device starting with /dev/s.da and click on Continue. Well, this is the end of the Raspbian desktop installation steps. Now you should get an installation complete screen and see this last progress bar. After that, your Raspbian desktop is installed on your new virtual machine. All you have to do is launch it. Click on Next to finish the configuration of your OS. Enjoy using Raspberry Pi desktop on VirtualBox.